ऐसे ही होगा भाई, क्या कर लेगा। पढ़ना है जो पढ़ ले बहनचोद, इतनी ही दिक्कत आने वाली, इससे ज़्यादा ही दिक्कत आएगी। तुमको क्या लगता है बहनचोद? द टाइम इज़ गोना बी ईजी, टाइम इज़ गोना बी कंफर्टेबल। ब्रो अगर तुमको ग्रो करना है ना, तो यू हैव टू गो थ्रू दिस हार्डशिप। एंड अपने दिमाग में बैठा लो कि जो ये दिक्कत तुम्हें हो रही है ना, इट्स गोना just increase now. It's not gonna slow down. And you were the one who was saying ki, I want to become a man. और वो क्या था, एक बाइबल में एक वो था ना स्टोरी, जहाँ फिर when David was asking God for strength, God sent him a Goliath. समझ रहे हो तुम? So if you want to become capable, if you want to become man's man, if you want to have everything that a masculine man has, you have to go through the process, you have to go through the hardship, you have to go through the discomfort. And if you are going through all these discomforts, all these challenges, तुमको सुबह 6 बजे उठ के काम में जाना पड़ रहा है और शाम को दूसरा काम है, तुमको छुट्टी नहीं मिलती है, you don't have time to even eat sometimes, then all this is going to make you tougher, make you stronger. But हाँ, मैं ऐसा नहीं कह रहा हूँ कि ज़िंदगी भर यही करने वाले हो. There will be time when these things will change, the hardships will change, the level of the hardships will change, the face of the hardships will change. The reason why it is here is because God wants to teach you something out of it. He wants you to be tougher, He wants you to be wise, He wants you to understand, He wants you to be mature, He wants you to change your point of view. ठीक है, if you are going through hardships, my only suggestion, my only advice is to go through it. If you are going through hell, go through hell with a smile on your face. माइंडसेट ये रखना है कि भाई यू आर बिकमिंग स्ट्रॉन्गर. माइंडसेट ये नहीं होना चाहिए कि भाई थोड़ा सा हार्डशिप कम हो जाए, थोड़ी सी दिक्कतें कम हो जाए तो मैं सांस ले पाऊँ. माइंडसेट ये होना चाहिए कि वो वजीटा वाला माइंडसेट होना चाहिए कि यार more work, the stronger I will be. More hardship it is, the stronger I will become. The more intense the training is, the tougher I will get, the more skillful I will become. ठीक है, तो माइंडसेट जो है ना, वो स्विच करो अपना. विक्टिम माइंडसेट से वॉरियर माइंडसेट में आओ. एंड if you have been living your whole life with the mindset of a victim, then it's going to be a difficult thing to do, or you have to keep on bringing that warrior mindset over and over and over and over again. But as the time passes by, it's going to become easier. So don't give up and keep on going, guys. If the time is tough, it's making you stronger, it's making you wiser, it's making you stronger, it's preparing you for that next level of abundance. ठीक है, वो मिलेगा तुमको जो तुमको चाहिए, बट यू हैव टू पे द प्राइस, एंड दिस इज द प्राइस दैट यू आर पेइंग. द डिस्कम्फर्ट दैट यू आर गोइंग थ्रू राइट नाउ is the price that you are paying for that next level that you desire in your life. Chaliye, I'll see you in the next one.